In this video I'm going to go over the Clients Credits tab inside of the admin inside WootText. Uh, this just gives a snapshot of the current activity, their current credits, how many used credits, how many are remaining, and on the fly you can add SMS call credits. Depending on the version you have, if you're using WootText, you're going to have SMS credits, which are long code credits. These are text sent via phone number. And then we have our managed long code, which are considered phone number credits. This allows them to purchase additional phone numbers using credits in their client-side account. Now, to enable that client to have more credits or less credits, simply click on how many credits you want to give, click on plus, and on the fly you'll be able to add that. Now, as the admin, you can't add credits to yourself because you have unlimited credits as the owner of the system. But if you're a client, this will automatically add credits to their account. Now, they might pay you outside of the normal payment system that you've set up, or they might have an emergency where, hey, my SMS stopped. I need you to add some credits so I can get this campaign going for a customer. And those kind of emergencies, you can come in here and just automatically plug in credits so that customer is not at ill will with you. But they eventually will usually take care of any additional credits that you give them. Now, to add long code credits to a customer, just click on like 10 here, click on plus, and now you can have up to 10 different phone numbers to use in campaigns inside of your client side. Now, for short codes, we have the short code keyword credits. This will appear below here when the WootText is enabled, and this will allow them allotted amount of keyword credits. And the same goes for emergencies. If they need to buy a keyword on the fly and you don't have time to create an invoice for them or do all that stuff, you can come in here and assign keyword credits. Essentially how all that works inside of the Client Center is if you go to add phone here, this will allow the client to come in here. If he wants to have a custom phone number for a different client of theirs to use for a contest, they can come in here and choose, for example, like the United States, choose a state, Arizona, they'll pick the area code, and then they'll assign this particular phone number to their client by clicking on add. Now, in this instance, it shows here we have our total number of long code credits used is 1, but in the client side, it's going to appear as the amount that you set it for. And same goes for SMS credits. If they're out of credits, they'll come in here and purchase. But if you assign them credits, it'll automatically appear in their SMS credits remaining, and it'll automatically take that tally of the usage and deduct that, and will calculate their monthly usage here as far as percent up or down based on the previous month. And just like on the dashboard, it just shows the most recent stats here at the very top, and then the general sidebar that you see on the dashboard. But the only difference is if you select here and toggle between the user, instead of this being the admin stats and the entire system stats, it'll segment that based on the client that you choose here. So always be aware of that. It only happens on this page. When you're on the dashboard, it's always admin. When you're on the credits page, depending on the selection that you choose here, depends on the settings of in the stats of what they have in their account, will appear at the very top.